Hey, it's Michael LaFido from the Luxury Listing Specialist designation, author of the book Luxury Specialist and Secret to Top Luxury Agents. This video is for you as an agent if you have an upcoming listing next year or remote potential upcoming listing next year. So if you are in the Midwest or most parts of the country where it's better to take photos of a home in August and September than it is in January or February, then this video is for you. You'll see some pictures come across of a $2 million property we're going to be putting on the market. And literally, we took photos last week with the pool open, the grass was green, freshly mulched. We brought in some great cocktails to set it up, just like when I was in Italy. These orange drinks are Aperol, they're amazing. We set the scene because when we take photos in January or February, the pool is going to be closed till next May. And so that as a seller, they can paint right now, not just photos, but you got to remember to tell the sellers to do some touch-ups. But the photos should be done now in August, September, maybe October, but while the pool's open for sure. So if you are going to be representing homes next year, don't wait to take photos. You want to recommend to the sellers to do it now. The other benefit is if you have a seller that's 50-50 on using you versus somebody else, by being proactive, you're differentiating yourself. So I don't have a signed agreement with that guy. However, I have a higher probability that he's going to use us because we were thinking outside the box. We were being proactive versus part-time Paul or part-time Patty who says, oh, I need a signed agreement before I pay for photos. So it shares with them how confident you are that you're the right agent, that you're willing to invest in them before they even sign on the dotted line with the listing agreement. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If you're getting value from these videos, please leave us a like, leave us a review. And last thing is, we just launched luxury coaching, one-on-one coaching. We've had coaches across, the country in the past. We've coached, but we've never formally launched a coaching program until now. The URL is below. Fill out some information if you're interested. Michael LaFido. Make it a great day. And as I always like to say, prove others wrong. Take care.